Hi, myself Vivekananda Sahu. I am currently doing an internship at Spark Foundation. During this internship, we are given some tasks to do. So, here I did a task which is exploratory data analysis on retail dataset, where I use EDA to find out the weak areas where we have to work to make more profit. Okay. So first I import the libraries like NUMPY, PANDAS, and for visualization purpose I import SEABORN and MATPLOTLIB. Okay. Then I load the data, the superstore CSV data using pd.read CSV. So this is the head of that data. Now you can see we have 13 columns and around 10,000 rows. Then I did data cleaning and preparation for our further EDA purpose. So first I check the null value. So here we see that there is no null value present. Then I also check the data type using superstore.d types, and I see all the data types are in correct format. Then what I did here is I just for those all categorical columns I did a unique count to see that what are the unique value present in each categorical column. So here we can see in ship mode we have second class, standard class, first class, same day. In segment we have consumer, corporate, home office. In country we have only one country, United States, and these are the cities, and these are the states of United States, and these are the four regions: south, west, central, and east. And these are the three category: furniture, office supply, technology, and these are the subcategories. Okay, so here I drop the country column because there is only one column, there is only one value in this country column, so we can't do any ED on top of that, so that's why I just drop this country column. Okay, so now these are our object data type columns, or we can say these are our categorical column. So for this categorical column I first plot a bar plot for all those categorical columns. So this is the plot, and my observation here is standard class is the most preferred shipped mode, and category having office supply is shipped most number of time, and subcategory having binders and paper is shipped more number of time. Most shipping occur in west region of United States, and consumer segment has the highest shipped record. Okay. Now for numerical attributes, I plot a box plot to see their distribution. So there is total four numerical attributes: sales, quantity, discount, and profit. I plot box plot for all those attributes. So this is the plot. Okay, so there are some high outliers present in sales and in profit also, but here we only doing the EDA, so that's why I leave them as it is. But for model purpose, for building the model, we have to treat those outliers. Okay, so then I plot a heat map to checking the correlation between those numerical columns. So here what we see was there is no strong correlation seen between these numerical variables, but one thing we can notice, profit and discount having negative correlation, minus 0.22. So we can say that although this correlation was not so high, but we can say if discount is increased, the profit will decrease. And one thing, between profit and sales the correlation is 0.42, so not so strongly correlated, but that some sort of correlated was present between profit and sales. Okay, so then I plot a scatter plot uh, with these numerical attributes sales quantity discount versus price, but sorry, versus profit. Okay, so these are the three plot: profit versus sales, profit versus quantity, and profit versus discount. So in profit versus discount, we can see a pattern here. If the discount is greater than 30%, we can see the profit will decrease. There is no correlation, no strong correlation seen between profit and quantity. And in profit and sales, there is no very strong correlation, but we can see that if sales are increased, the profit also increase in some of the points. Okay. Okay. After that, I plot a bar plot for profit versus category. Means which category having highest profit. Now, here my observation is technology having the highest profit, followed by office supplies category and then furniture category. Okay. Then I plot subcategory versus profit. Okay. Now this plot is subcategory versus profit. So here we can say coffees, phone, accessories, papers, binders. These are in high profit range, and bookcases, tables, supplies are in loss. We can clearly see that. Okay. Now, now here in this plot, I want to see that what category and subcategory combination having the highest profit and lowest profit. Okay. Now the blue ones are, you can see, technology, and the orange ones are office supplies, and the green ones are furniture. So in technology we can see copies are having highest profit, phones followed by phones, accessories, then machines. And in category office supplies, the subcategory papers having the highest profit. And in furniture, tables and bookcases are in loss, but chairs and furnishings are in profit. Okay. Now then, I plot a bar plot for region versus profit. Means which region having highest profit. So here we can say west region having highest profit, followed by east, south, then central. Okay. So then I I want to found that in each region what are the states are present. So here we can say in central region these states are present, in west region these states are present, California, Washington, and so on. And this is for east region, Pennsylvania, New York, Ohio, and these are the states from south region. Okay. Now now first I analyze the central region state wise profit. Then what I found that uh, I take only central region here first, and then make a pivot table. Uh, okay. Then here this is the central region state wise profit. So here we can see. Then in central region, Minnesota having the highest net profit percentage. Okay, so here I calculate, here I plot not according to profit. Here I calculate according to net profit percentage. So you can see Minnesota having the highest profit, and Texas and Illinois having are in loss. I did the same thing with South region states, and you can see Florida, North Carolina, and Tennessee having in loss. Okay. Then I did the same thing with East region also, and in East region, Pennsylvania and Ohio are in loss, and uh, for West region, Arizona and Colorado and Oregon are in loss. So there are total 10 states I found, those are in loss, or we can say that these 10 states are non-profit states. So from those 10 states, which states having the highest loss? So here I calculate the net loss percentage. So we can see Ohio having the highest loss, followed by Colorado, then Tennessee, then Illinois, okay, and so on. Okay, now I did a chloroplath plot here. Here we can see we can easily visualize those 10 states. So the more reddish one are in loss and the more bluish are in profit. So when you hover into it, you can see Texas having net loss percentage -15, and the reddish one are in loss. You can see Illinois, then Ohio, Texas, Colorado, Arizona, Oregon. So these states are having loss, and you can see uh, here you can say Minnesota are in more bluish. So you can see their net profit percentage is 36%. Okay, okay. So after this, I want to found that what wrong with these 10 states and what those top three profitable states doing right. That's why they are in profit. So the top three profitable states are uh, Arkansas, Montana, and Minnesota. Okay. So first I analyze these three states. When I analyze these three states one by one, first I analyze Montana. I can see they are giving discount not more than 20%, and also they increase their sales, and that's why their profit also increase. The same pattern I see in Arkansas and Minnesota states. Okay, so in Arkansas and Minnesota states, they don't give any discounts and they increase the sales, and the result was their net profit also increase. So only so the main thing I notice here is for increase our profit, we have to minimize the discount and we have to increase the sale. Now uh, after this I also did the same analysis from those 10 non-profit states. So here you can say they are giving a very high discount. You can say in binders they are giving 70% discount, in machines they are giving more than 50% discount, and you can say in binders they are giving 70% discount, and their sales was low. So that's why they are in loss. So what measures they have to take was they have to minimize their discount and they have to increase their sales, and the result the profit was automatically increased. Okay, so that's the end of this project. Thank you.